How to fix your game requires a system restart to play Valorant error in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. If you haven't done so yet, please restart your system and check whether that solved the issue. Try launching Valorant again. If that didn't work, running Valorant as an administrator grants the game additional permissions that might be required for it to function properly, especially when dealing with system-level components like Vanguard. Doing this can help to avoid compatibility issues and improve game performance. Check the box to disable full-screen optimizations. Click Apply and OK. Relaunch the game. If that didn't work, Hyper-V is a virtualization feature in Windows that can sometimes conflict with gaming software. Disabling it might resolve the error you are encountering in Valorant. Uncheck the box next to Hyper-V. Click OK. Restart your computer for the changes to take effect. If that didn't work, right-click Command Prompt and click on Run as Administration. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Now restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, the VGC service is a crucial component of Valorant's anti-cheat system. Ensuring that this service is running is important for the game to function correctly.